Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, thank you for joining us. I'm very happy to have you. I apologize if I sound a little bit tired, and I don't have my mic in right now, so I'm just doing a voiceover. But I wanted to really get this uploaded today, right away, as soon as I possibly could, because it is for someone specifically. But I also want to show this because I have also had a lot of luck with this app specifically, and I'm sure you can see right here I have 6 downloaded. The very top left app is a paid app. It was on sale for free for a limited time, so I downloaded it during the time it was on sale, but the rest of them are free apps. The HackShack X8 may or may not work for you. Maybe you've had luck with some of these apps. I personally have not, except for this one, SP White Noise Box. And I'm sure one of you will know. Up here, I was watching, and shout out to Miss Cringe for Miss Cringe down here at the bottom. This is her channel. Thank you so much for being nice enough to let me explain this. And thank you so much for posting the video. I really enjoyed it, and I hope maybe we can collab sometime in the future. Okay, so I just used this little thing so I can point to where I'm going here. This comment here I saw on her video, and since it had been about a week, I figured I would go ahead and respond to B, who asked about how to set it up. So I thought that maybe I could go ahead and make a small video, because I haven't yet. I have not made a video of me testing this app yet. I usually do first impressions like, oh, I've never opened it before, and here we are testing it out for the first time together. This one, I did not do the same thing. I have used this app 2 times already, on my own, in my own sessions, and the responses I got were amazing. I mean, I was in awe at the things that I heard coming through this box. Someone I had been asking for a very long time. I think she came through right at the end. And I think I'm maybe going to try and communicate with her this time and see if I can get her to come through while I test this app. My husband just ran to town. We are going to be going on a pretty long road trip today, so I need to get ready. He's going to come home, and I'm going to be filming this, and he's going to be like, what the heck? I'm not sure if that internet's going to connect or not. Oh, it's on, but it's acting like I don't have Wi-Fi. Regardless, I have used this app on and off Wi-Fi, and off of Wi-Fi, I was having the same types of responses come through, the same as when I was connected to the Wi-Fi. So let's go ahead and open it up. This is the small message. It acts like there are no words, and any audio banks are reversed. So there should not be any human voice words that you can understand come through this box. That's what they claim, okay? Whether or not you can trust these things, I do not know. I personally feel that I can trust this app more than I can some of the other apps, if that makes sense. If you hear some cats, I apologize. I have 2 adult cats and a 9-day-old kitten today. He was born the Friday before Mother's Day. So you might hear a little bit of squealing, possibly a dog. Now, this is the app. When you open it up, they have lots of buttons on here, as you can see. Let me check my volume here. Okay, it's all the way down. I'm just going to put it on medium. If you have headphones on, you may want to take them off until we can adjust the volume. I will let you know if I'm going to increase my volume. So the way I used it when I got good responses was I just turned on mode 7. If you turn on mode 7 and then you turn on the NR7, it takes away some of the nonsense noise. Like this. I'm going to increase my volume, and I'm going to ask for the spirit I thought I contacted last night. So these are the only two buttons that I turned on at all when I used it. Is Lauren still here? Lauren, are you able to come through? If anyone has been able to connect, could you please say your name in the box? I'm going to say her last name, and I apologize if anybody is upset by me asking for this person specifically. Lauren Spearer. It's Tony. Lauren, is that you? Your name? Is anybody here with us? I thought I heard, here they come. Wait. Hello? Hi, my name's Tony. What's your name? Are any of my loved ones nearby? Can you please say your names? Did I hear Robert? Hi, Robert. Do you enjoy using this to communicate with me? Do you like to use this box? Is it hard to use? A little. I'm sure it is. I really appreciate you talking with me. Is there anything you want me to know? Or do you have a message for anyone else? A wife or child? Spouse? Yeah? Okay, what's the message? Okay, I don't have a lot more time, so if you have a message or anything else you'd like to say. Thank you so much for communicating. Oh, can you repeat that? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. See ya. We'll talk again soon, okay? I hope you can feel the love that I have and how much it means to me. Thank you so much. Hold on. can turn it off now. Thank you so much. Bye. Okay, guys. You see how, and again, okay, that was me opening the door. I really do have to get ready, but that was me just at home in my normal spot where I usually test my apps. My house is not haunted. There are no spirit activity or phenomena that go on around here that I'm aware of. I just simply sit in my room and, you know, test these apps out. So I thought doing a voiceover, I mean, most of my videos are a voiceover anyway. So this shows, you know, the buttons that I use and possibly the buttons that Miss Cringe uses for her video as well. Oh. Yeah, see, my husband's going to be home and I'm not even going to be ready. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!